The Great Indian Desert. A desert is a barren and sandy land that receives very little rainfall. Today we are going to learn about Thar Desert, the Great Indian Desert. Deserts are formed over a long period of time as a result of poor rainfall and soil erosion. As a result, they have very little vegetation. The desert region in India is located around the southwest part of the northern plains. The Thar Desert, also known as the Great Indian Desert, is located in western Rajasthan. It covers a major part of West Rajasthan. It is also known as the desert state of India. The Aravalli Range lies in the eastern region of the desert state. The Thar Desert covers a major part of Rajasthan and extends up to Gujarat, Punjab and Haryana. Desert as a landform. Not many plants grow in this region. They do not have much vegetation because of scanty rainfall. Some shrubs and thorny shrubs, herbs and very few trees grow here. Cacti, date palms, kikar, babul and grasses grow here. Lack of vegetation also causes soil erosion and dust storms. Strong winds that blow in deserts carry sand over long distances and form sand hills. These go up to even 500 meters high and are called as sand dunes. Water and vegetation in deserts. Oases are fertile areas in deserts having water and vegetation. The underground water comes to the surface. Few plants and trees will grow here. And we can see some vegetation in oases. Naturally, there are some human settlement around oases. Crops grow in summer are bajra, jowar, maize, sesame and groundnuts. And winter, wheat, mustard, cumin seeds, which are also called as zira seeds, are also grown here. Irrigation. The Indian government has greatly helped Rajasthan tackle the problem of water shortage by way of a big canal called Indira Gandhi Canal, which is also called Rajasthan Canal, that brings water from Satluj to Rajasthan. This canal, the 500 kilometers long canal, provides water to northwestern Rajasthan, Ganganagar district as well as parts of Bikaner district. This canal helped this area to become green and now farmers can grow a variety of crops. More and more land is now being brought under cultivation. Wheat, maize, jowar, bajra, cotton, pulses, sugarcane, etc. are grown here. The Indira Gandhi Canal also supplies drinking water to thousands of people living here. Thank you, children.